Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're checking out SUI token at the moment, $0.91. Over the last 7 days, we actually saw this thing come down to 0.79, so a decent kind of rebound or resurrection, if you like, here for SUI token. But I'm bullish on this coin, no matter the climate in the crypto markets, and I think this is one that is still poising for a very big pump in the future as well. When you look at market capital, the all-time high was 2.67 billion, and I think we can see the market capital go beyond this particular level. And yeah, guys, let's talk about it. So the all-time high is $2. Don't target $2 because you can see there's been a release of tokens that has actually reduced the value of each coin. We've seen a bit of inflation, a bit of token dilution. As you can see, these do not match anymore, and it looks like it happened around here, around sort of March of 2024. Doesn't mean we can't see $2 happen again, but for $2 to now happen, we need to see a 4 billion plus market capital. So I'm aiming for roughly a 3 to 3.5 billion market cap, which will move this thing around about 80% from where we are. So aiming for $1.60 from 90 cents is a good target here at the moment. And we can see, just looking at this chart, something very interesting happened at its inception in May. It had this massive falling wedge pattern, and then it broke out eventually, and then boom, up by basically 5x. We're seeing something similar happen. We're seeing again a falling wedge style pattern where we're getting a convergence of the support and resistance. The price is lowering more and more. You can see last time around it took us up between the 1.6 and 2.6 fib. If we get the same kind of thing happen, we could be speculating between a $3.13 and a $4.61 price target. It won't be as large as a 5x, but we could be certainly looking around a 2 to 3x for this particular token by maybe the next sort of alt season or bull market rally within the crypto market. So we're talking about, you know, waiting a good 3-4 months. And I think typically July, August are also going to be very boring kind of months for cryptocurrency, which isn't a terrible thing. By the way, guys, we're doing a massive giveaway. 3 winners, $1,000 each. Make sure you join this giveaway. The link is down below to the tweet. Very easy to join. You may be a lucky winner of $1,000. So please do join in on that fun. Back to here, back to the charting side of things. We can see, just looking on the daily time frame as well, we just hit that oversold territory. And typically oversold on the RSI on the daily is quite a bullish thing, especially if you're in a bull market. So you can see there the last 2 times it hit oversold, and each time provided some level of upside. We had 50% plus, then here we had roughly, what, 28+% roughly. So far we've had, you know, only 7%. So, well, a bit more than that, actually a bit more than that. So we've had roughly 22%, I was going to say. So we are seeing the bounce to the upside. We are probably under that 20-day moving average on our Bollingers, which we are, as you can see. But when things do flip bullish again, when we break through that blue 20-day moving average, I think coins are going to go crazy. So don't let the sort of fear and the disgust of the market kind of sway you to not get into projects that you were once bullish on at a higher price, because they still have the same fundamental value, same utility. And overall, I think, yeah, we're in a good place for the markets right now, guys. Just want to say as well, if you're looking for trading signals, early insights to next big stealth launches, ICOs, and more, the link is right down below to my Patreon group, where you're going to get all those early premium alpha calls. So we will now move on to a new DeFi project in the meme coin space known as Chuan-Poo. This one I'm going to be talking about quite a bit, while, you know, I believe it's going to do something great, so that's why I want to talk about it. Chuan-Poo right here, 0.0178 price level. You can see it's corrected a good few times since its inception just 10 days ago, up to a $17.5 million market cap with 440k liquidity. When they hit $50 million market cap, we're going to see a 2% token burn, but valued around $1 million, which is insane. And I think we could slowly recoil back to the all-time high resistance here of 0.023. Really, really good, fully doxed KYC project. The team and developers are not selling, and at the moment it's looking good. 2.5k holders over here with locked-in liquidity, which is a very, very good thing. Exchanges coming soon. Really cool project. Solana-based meme coins you can buy on a Solana chain and not have large gas fees, no transaction fees, no taxation or anything like that. Of course, just the standard slippage on the embedded DEX here on websites like DEX Screener or Bird Eye. So it does look really good, guys. Not financial advice, but check that one out down below as well. Say coin, another coin I'm bullish on, 0.39. To see this coin this low makes me also feel quite bullish, considering it was recently at over $1 in its sort of peak performance times. So you're still seeing a really, really low price point here. I think 2.89 billion was the all-time high. So again, another coin that you could be looking at, speculating, is this going to go up? I think it could potentially go up. Say coin, not financial advice, but another one that I'm holding and will be holding throughout the rest of this bull market, because I'm just so sure that we're not at the end of the bull run. Not at all. Now you could say, but hey, how come people are selling Bitcoin? Or Bitcoin whales sold over 1 billion Bitcoin in past 2 weeks. Well, the thing is, people are going to sell. Whales will sell, especially when things get boring, and people are in it to make money. Doesn't matter who you are, we're all here to hopefully make some money at the long term. So you can see long-term holder whales sold 1.2 billion in the past 2 weeks, likely through brokers. ETF net flows are negative with $460 million outflows in the same period. So market was kind of hitting a bit of an SEO sort of top, a retail top, so they have probably decided to take profits. And if they did buy in at these early levels, when Bitcoin was 16 to 25k back in 2022, then why wouldn't they take that 2-3x? So yeah, I don't think this is a terrible thing. I think it's a normal thing. And to see that much sold and the market still looking as strong as they are is a real reflection of how strong those markets are, or the crypto markets are at this current point in time. So yeah, just want to talk about that. If you're also new here, please consider joining my Discord. Get in there. Over 26,000 lovely people. The Discord link is right down below. Consider becoming a patron as well. Like I said, could be really worthwhile, and you could make back the amount it costs for the membership in a single month as well. And check out Chuanpu before you go. This one could go absolutely wild. You can see it's really bounced back from a recent dip just yesterday. So the momentum is there, the appetite is there. Just got to see more people looking at it, because the more people on a meme coin, the better for everyone. See you soon, ladies and gents. SUI coin certainly looking like a nice area for potential dollar cost averaging as well. When we look at this weekly time frame, we've come from these very euphoric high RSIs from February 2024. We're cooling down, and that cool off period is effectively, imagine you're sitting on a trampoline, or you've jumped really high, you've landed on the trampoline, but then someone is holding you underneath the trampoline. They're not letting you go. You're just stuck in the bottom. You're hooked to the ground. That's what we're seeing. We're just stuck in that hole at the moment because there's no interest. But when that retail money comes back, we're going to see things fly again. And I think we'll come out of this hole. Everyone will be winning again. So don't let the fear invalidate your logic, and always have a strategy and a plan. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.